Ready?
Yep.
See this. It's not witch, huh? It's just talent.
That's a pretty good trick, man.
What just happened? Yeah, can we do that again, just to make sure?
Oh, man.
I don't know what I just witnessed.
Chris, you want to interview him? Okay, one more
time.
Listen,
2 minutes and counting. One more time.
I will do different one. Maybe we'll do two branch. Again.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
See, this must come out. Almost now. So first you put water on it. It starts. It's not magic, just real. You know, body start, huh? I believe I can survive. So just how I go broke, maybe I'm running somewhere in the town. Somebody want to see me acting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Winston.
Winston.
Yeah.
Winston, the water fountain.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wow.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out, too.